Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Value chain versus supply chain, simplified for struggling learners. Both the value chain and supply chain help bring a product to the customer, but they are different. Supply chain focuses on how products move from suppliers to customers. It is about logistics, production, storage, transportation, and delivery. Goal: be efficient, save time, save cost, deliver on time. Example: in a food business, farmers grow rice, wholesalers buy and sell, rice mills process, stores sell rice, you buy it. That whole process is the supply chain. Value chain focuses on how businesses add value to products at every step. It is about improving quality, design, and customer experience. Goal: make the product more valuable and satisfy customers. Example: a luxury car company uses high-quality materials, adds advanced designs, and gives good customer service. That makes their car more valuable compared to an ordinary one. Key differences. Supply chain value chain moves products from suppliers to customers, adds value to products at every step, focuses on efficiency, cost, and logistics, focuses on quality, customer satisfaction, and uniqueness. Goal: deliver product on time and at low cost. Goal: make product more valuable and different from others. Example: clothing business. Supply chain: getting cotton, making cloth, transporting to shops. Value chain: designing stylish clothes, promoting brand, and offering after-sales service. Michael Porter's Value Chain, 1985. Porter explained that a company's activities can be grouped into 1. Primary activities, directly make the product valuable. Inbound logistics, getting and storing materials. Example: car factory receives steel. Operations, making the product. Example: assembling a phone. Outbound logistics, delivering product. Example: shipping cars to dealers. Marketing and sales, advertising and selling. Example: launching a new ad. Service, helping after purchase. Example: car repair and maintenance. 1. Support activities, help primary activities. Procurement, buying materials. Example: chips for computers. HR management, hiring and training workers. Technology development, creating new processes or features. X, new software. Infrastructure, managing company operations like finance and planning. In simple words, supply chain is how a product moves. Efficiency. Value chain is how a product improves. Customer value.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is the main goal of the supply chain? A. To add value to products. B. To create new designs. C. To deliver products efficiently and at low cost. D. To provide customer service. What does the value chain focus on? A. Reducing transportation cost. B. Adding value and improving customer satisfaction. C. Storing raw materials. D. Delivering goods on time. How does a supply chain work? A. By focusing only on advertising. B. By adding designs and quality. C. By moving products from suppliers to customers. D. By training employees. How is the value chain different from the supply chain? A. Supply chain is about delivery, value chain is about adding value. B. Both only focus on costs. C. Value chain is about logistics only. D. Supply chain is about customer experience. Why does the value chain emphasize customer satisfaction? A. To increase cost of production. B. To make products more valuable and unique. C. To store goods in warehouses. D. To shorten delivery time. Which of the following is an example of a supply chain in the food industry? A. Farmers growing crops, rightward arrow wholesalers, rightward arrow retailers, rightward arrow customers. B. Designing a luxury car, rightward arrow selling it, rightward arrow repair services. C. Creating an ad campaign for new clothes. D. Training employees to serve better. Which activity shows value chain in a clothing company? A. Transporting cotton to factories. B. Designing fashionable clothes. C. Selling raw materials to farmers. D. Delivering clothes to warehouses. What is the key difference in the goals of supply chain versus value chain? A. Supply chain focuses on efficiency, value chain focuses on adding value. B. Both focus only on reducing costs. C. Supply chain is about advertisements. D. Value chain is about transportation. Which do you think is more important for a business? A. Only supply chain efficiency. B. Only value chain improvement. C. Both supply chain efficiency and value chain improvement. D. Neither is important. If you were to make a flowchart for a cell phone business, which steps show both supply chain and value chain? A. Buying raw materials, rightward arrow shipping, rightward arrow selling. B. Getting raw materials, rightward arrow assembling, rightward arrow marketing and service. C. Advertising rightward arrow transporting rightward arrow storing. D. Delivering rightward arrow storing rightward arrow hiring staff. Thank you and God bless you always. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.